Happy 2022, everyone. It's a new year, new start. Today's yoga practice is a yoga for creating impact. I think this is a perfect yoga for the beginning of the new year. We're going to start with Sufi Grand. Sufi Grand is a very, very good posture to help us open up our pelvis. So what you do here is when you inhale, you move your body forward from left side to your right side. And exhale, move your body backward from right to left. So we're making circles. In Kundalini Yoga, it says our true self actually rests in our pelvis. Pelvis is also the place where our Kundalini energy rests in. Now reverse direction. So Sufi Grand helped us to get in touch with our true self. This true self is where our strength and our power coming from. Okay, inhale, hold, and exhale. Just relax a little bit here. And now, next pose. Grab your ankles with your two hands. And inhale, move your body forward. Exhale, move your body backward. So inhale forward, exhale slouch. Now I'm gonna turn to side so you can see from this side view. This posture is spine flex. We want to make our spine flexible as much as possible. In addition to increasing flexibility of the spine, this is also an exercise to help release deep insecurities. Beginning to release these insecurities on a physical level can spark an incredible emotional transformation. It is very important to clear old insecurities in order to free up the flow of energy in the body. This spinal flex releases tension around the first chakra. Chakra is energy center and channels energy up the spine while balancing the lower organs. Now inhale and hold and relax. Put your hands on your knees and see if you feel calmer and more centered now. Next, we're going to work on our head and neck. So inhale, turn your head to your left, and exhale to your right. So inhale left, exhale right. And then you just repeat here. Neck is very delicate, so we don't want to hurt our neck. You want to be slow and not very fast. We're gonna be here for about 2 minutes. Now, next, we're gonna do inhale, move head up, and exhale, move head down. So inhale up, exhale down. We're here for about 1 minute. And then we're gonna do neck roll. So roll slowly. So basically your head and neck are rolling in a circle, just like a souffle grand. For this neck and head exercise, we are working on the flexibility of this head and neck area. We're also working on the thyroid and parathyroid glands. In addition, we're strengthening our ability to believe and trust. Now, just inhale and hold and relax. Next, use your hands, grab your knees, and we're gonna work on our shoulders. So when you inhale, lift your left shoulder up and exhale down. Inhale, switch the shoulder, lift your right shoulder up and exhale down. So you inhale, shoulders up, exhale, shoulders down. But you're gonna switch the two shoulders with your inhale and exhale. We're gonna do 25 times each shoulder. So now, just to relax. And next, both shoulders up when you inhale and both shoulders down when you exhale. Again, we're gonna do another 20 times. We're releasing the tension and pressure on our shoulders. So now inhale and hold. And exhale. Relax. Relax your shoulders. Relax your neck. And relax your lower jaw. Very good. Now we come to our last exercise, frog pose. Balance yourself on your toes in the squatted position, feet apart and heels are touching. Spread your knees and put your arms inside your legs with only your fingertips touching the floor. Keep your elbows straight. Find your balance with your eyes either open or closed. This is your starting position. And then inhale, move your body up. Exhale, lower body down to the squatted position. So inhale up and exhale down. We're gonna do 26 frog pose here. Frog pose works on opening the flow of the energy in the second chakra. This energy is vital energy. And doing frog pose can certainly help you to work with the themes connected to the second chakra, like your self-esteem and creativity. It's an exercise that can help you tap back into the flow of life. Also, this is very good exercise. Increase the circulation in your body, builds your cardio system. It also stimulates thalamus and pituitary glands in your brain. Okay, now inhale, hold, and exhale. Relax a little bit, tangle your shoulders. And now get up. All right, let's calm down and sit down on our mat. Congratulations, we have finished today's exercise. Just sit here for a moment and just feel. Feel the sensation. Feel your experience here. Okay, we are ready. You can open up your eyes, and thank you for watching today. I will see you next time.